Maytag top-load washers have a lid lock for safety. It prevents the washer from operating with the lid open. The lock uses an electromagnetic solenoid that engages when the cycle starts and disengages at the end. Without power, this lock can remain engaged, trapping your laundry inside. This video will show you how to safely release the lid lock when power is unavailable or the washer malfunctions. The lid lock mechanism in Maytag top-load washers depends entirely on electricity to disengage after a cycle completes. When power is interrupted by an outage or tripped breaker, the electromagnetic solenoid remains engaged, keeping the lid locked even when the washer appears turned off. For safety reasons, never attempt to force the lid open mechanically, as this can damage the lock mechanism or hinge components. Always unplug the washer from the electrical outlet before attempting any manual troubleshooting or repairs to prevent the risk of electric shock. Try a simple reset first. Unplug the washer from the wall for 5 to 10 minutes. This drains the capacitors and can reset the lock. Plug it back in and try running a short test cycle. This often resolves the issue. If the reset doesn't work, you may need to manually release the lid lock. Unplug the washer for safety. Step 1. Unplug the washer from the power source to ensure safety before proceeding. Step 2. Locate the control panel, which is usually at the back of the washer. Step 3. You may need a screwdriver to remove the screws holding the panel in place. Step 4. Carefully detach the panel to access the lid lock solenoid inside. Once you've accessed the solenoid, look for a small plunger or lever. This is the mechanical part that controls the lock. Gently depress this plunger using a screwdriver or similar tool. Apply steady, light pressure to release the mechanism. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Some newer models feature a release cable instead of a plunger. Simply pull this cable gently to disengage the lid lock. This should release the lid lock. If it doesn't work, try alternative reset methods. Some Maytag models offer alternative reset procedures beyond the basic unplug method. Try pressing the Start/Pause button 3 times in quick succession to reset the lid lock mechanism. For model-specific reset instructions, consult your owner's manual or visit Maytag's website. Different models may have unique procedures that work best for their design. For newer models equipped with SmartTag technology, download the SmartTag app to perform remote diagnostics and reset the lid lock electronically. If the lid still won't open after basic resets, check for wiring faults or a damaged control board. Examine the wiring diagram to understand the lid switch connections. Use a multimeter to test continuity in the lid switch circuit. Set the meter to continuity mode and check for proper electrical flow. Inspect the control board for damage or corrosion. Clean any residue if needed. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, it's best to call a qualified appliance repair technician. Forcing the lock can lead to expensive repairs. Newer Maytag washers feature AI-powered diagnostics and smart app integration to prevent lid lock issues before they occur. Regular washer maintenance, like annual cleaning, can also prevent problems. Future washers may use proximity sensors or voice activation instead of mechanical locks.